Watch this video and learn how to draw a chameleon. Later in the show, Barry Tone has a dance break. And watch to the end because later on, Artie has a potty break. Ooh! Are you ready, everybody? It's Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello and welcome to Artie's show. Yeah. What are we gonna draw today?
Today, Artie, we're going to draw a chameleon, a kind of lizard.
Wow, that's gonna be awesome. Yeah.
Yes, it is.
It's a pleasure to see everyone.
The pleasure is all mine.
Are you ready to begin, Artie?
Yeah, I'm ready.
This is going to be really fun.
Yeah.
Let's start.
Okay, let's get going. Woohoo! Yeah.
Get ready to draw with Artie!
Okay, Artie, let's start by drawing our lizard's eyes. A nice circle in the middle of the page, but slightly to the left, and draw a little black dot inside. After this drawing, Artie, we can go in the garden and try and find some lizards.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yay.
Okay, we'll do that later. Now let's add the left eye. Another circle, but this time hide it slightly behind the first one. That's it. And then don't forget the black dot.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you cut up, you can just press play. Wow, I can really sing.
Thank you, Barry. Now, let's add a couple of little eyebrows just above the eyes and make sure you shade them in black. Let's give him a funny little mouth. That's it. And then give him a big forehead. Add a little hook at the top.
I'm excited to see what Artie's gonna create today.
So am I.
Now draw a line scooping all the way down with a little hook at the end again. A line coming back all the way in towards the left, and let's add a hand on the bottom. First a thumb, and then two little lizardy fingers. Continue the arm all the way up, Artie. Very good.
Artie, use your imagination!
Thank you, Bunny. Artie always does. Let's draw our lizard's back. A line going all the way up, then curve back down, and then back up again. Back down again, and back up again. It's a little bit like a roller coaster. Do a few more humps of the roller coaster, Artie. It's looking really good already.
I think we should have a dance break.
A dance break?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go have a dance break. Dance break, dance break, dance break.
Dancing is great fun and good exercise.
Are you dancing, little artists?
Judgy, but I am a judge, so it's a 10.
Oh, that was a really fun dance break. Yeah.
It was. Are you ready to carry on
Yeah.
with the drawing?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Let's add our chameleon's big spirally tail. Keep going round and round, Artie. There you go, a perfect spiral. Let's draw another spiral, but this time for his tongue. Start at the top and spiral all the way down inside our chameleon's mouth. Coming up, Artie takes a potty break. Ooh! Let's give that tongue a little bit of thickness. Draw another line right beside the first one. That looks funny, Artie. It looks like he's trying to catch a fly with his tongue.
Yeah.
Let's show our chameleon laying on the branch of a tree. Draw an oval shape on the left side, and then 2 straight lines going all the way underneath our chameleon. That way it looks like he's sat astride it.
Painty! Oh no, Painty! Not now! Not
Oh, Painty! You made a big yellow mess everywhere. There's paint all over the... I'm just going to get a cloth and clean it up. Hang on a minute, Artie. Here we go. Okay, I think I got most of it. Painty. Oh, that's a good idea, Artie. I see you're adding some leaves to the tree branch. Wow, Artie, this is looking really good. One of your best drawings in a long time.
Excuse me.
Yes, Artie?
Artie need potty break.
Oh, you need a potty break?
Yeah,
You want to go now?
yeah. Okay.
Go on then, it's okay.
Yeah.
It's the other way, Artie.
Oh, no, that way.
You feel better?
Okay, Artie good now.
Okay.
Back to drawing.
Oh, Artie, get that thinner marker pen on the shelf. Yes, that one there. We can add some detail with the thinner pen. Let's add some circles inside the chameleon's body. When we colour in later, that'll be very helpful. That's great. Lots of nice different size circles. Oh, now let's add some lines to the branch of the tree. Draw some wobbly lines right the way across, but be careful not to draw on top of the chameleon's hand.
Hello, Artie!
Hi, Bunny.
I'm ready for some fun.
Oh, good. Me too.
Oh, I love that drawing.
Oh, thank you.
It looks so lifelike. You're very talented. Let's hop to it.
Okay.
Oh, it's always so sweet, Artie, when Bunny comes to visit you.
Yeah.
I think you like her, Artie.
No.
I think you do. Oh, Artie, I love that detail you're adding in the wood. That's fantastic. So simple, but very effective. You're a true artist.
No.
You're so modest.
I finished.
Oh, it looks awesome, Artie.
Yeah.
It needs something else.
We could color it in.
What a great idea.
Okay, let's do it.
Yeah.
Oh, this is my favorite part.
Artie's finished.
Wow, Artie, it came out really, really good.
Yeah, pretty good. Pretty good.
I love the yellow colour
Yeah.
and the pink tongue.
Very proud.
Oh, you should be.
Well, that one took some skill. We'll see you again next time. Have an Artie day!
That was so much fun. Thank you for watching. Have an Arty day. Bye. Bye for now.